Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yuzbak-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my boho blues earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, a beaded head pin, an eye pin, an ear wire, 4mm jump ring, 3mm silver tone beads, aqua dyed high quality faceted oval stones, aqua coated quartz stone stick, and 24 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search boho blues earrings. We are going to start out by creating this center dangle. So we're going to grab one of our aqua dyed high quality faceted oval stones, and we are going to bend that wire to the side, trim off that little end, and now we're going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Grabbing an eye pin, I just strung a 3mm metal bead, the stick, 3mm, our little dangle we just created, 3mm stick, 3mm. Making sure those beads are nice and tight, I made a bend in the wire. We're going to trim off that little end, flip it around, and we're going to form another simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Let's make sure these loops are lined up correctly. Grabbing the ends, I'm just kind of forming the wire into a U shape, moving it up just a little bit. I just cut a 3-inch length of 24 gauge wire, and now we are going to form a wrapped loop. Bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. Switching hands, we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Remove, trim off that little end, and I like to flatten my loops. I'm going to squish this up just a little bit. I just strung my aqua dyed high quality faceted oval stone onto the wire, and we are going to form another wrapped loop. Bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3, remove, trim off that little end, flatten out our loop, and we're going to tap this wire down so there are no sharp edges. You are going to repeat this step a total of 3 times. Grabbing our centerpiece, we're going to open that loop, grab one of our wire wrapped quartz, and close the loop. Same thing on the other side. Open the loop, attach, and close the loop. Grabbing a 4mm jump ring. This is how you open and close the jump ring. We're going to open it. We're flipping the earring upside down and we're connecting it. Grabbing our third wire wrapped loop, coming back in and closing our jump ring. Our last step is to attach our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. Open, attach, and close your ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my boho blues earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.